Welcome. In this video I will show you how to install apps from App Store on Apple Watch SE 3. First of all, make sure that your Apple Watch has an internet connection. To do so, press the side button on your Apple Watch and then check if your device is connected to some Wi-Fi network. To do so, hold your finger down on the Wi-Fi icon and check if there is a network that your Apple Watch is connected to, or otherwise, if your device supports cellular, you can check if the mobile data is enabled. Okay, after that you have to open the app library by pressing the digital crown, then scroll to the App Store icon and tap on it to open. Now in App Store, you have to wait until this app starts, and then we're gonna have to find the app that you want to download and install. So right now I'll tap continue at the very bottom of the list. Now you can either use one of the featured applications that you see in different categories, or the ones recommended for you below, or you can find some specific app by scrolling to the very top of the list or tapping the search icon in the top left corner of the screen. And then you're gonna have to enter the app name. To do so, you have to select one of the input methods by tapping right here and then selecting either a draw input or a voice input on the right side. Now then enter the name of the application and tap search, and then you're gonna find the app that you're looking for. And now to install such application, you have to press the get button or the get icon or the cloud download icon next to it and wait for the installation process to be finished. And once the app installation is finished, tap open to open it. Otherwise, you can open it from the app library. In order to do so, let's first wait for this app to load. Okay, so it loaded, and I returned to the main screen, to the watch face. You can also open this app from the app library, and to do so, open the app library by pressing digital crown and then find the application that you downloaded on this list or on the grid. Here it is, and now to open it, just tap on it. Okay, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.